Highlights of set number 1 dito po sa ating second match ng inyong PSL Grand Prix 2016. Brought to you by PLDT Volterra. Maganda yung palitan natin dito, partner, sapagkat from the get-go, the defending champions were on track in defending their crown. Their imports are in place. Sa kabila naman, si Kemper feeling that jet lag. But then again, sinubukan ng F2 humabol, but they fell short in set 1.
Right. Ang F2 kasi talagang inunahan na nila ang, ang Photon, inunahan na nila ang F2 pagdating sa attacks. As you can see there, 5 points ang lamang nila sa attacks.
Highlights of the second set ng ating 2016 A6 PSL Grand Prix, kung saan ang F2 Logistics are trying to find their form in this game. Timely hits by Maranyo, Changruz. Almost, but not quite. Still losing set number 2 by 5 points.
Oh, but it was a better output from F2 Logistics. Mas maganda yung movement nila, mas mabilis. It was just that they had a difficult time in answering those services, strong services from Photon, and that's why they couldn't really run the plays that they wanted. And nakikita natin yung mga services from Kemper, services from Dimaculangan, from Ivy Perez, especially the services of Stalzer and Usher, hirap na ma-receive ng F2 Logistics.
And the campaign of Photon dito sa Grand Prix, maganda kanilang umpisa, Chick.
Maganda yung umpisa nila. Ang ganda nung ikot ng bola ni Dimaculangan. If you're a player, wala ka nang hihinging iba pa. Ang ganda nung services din ni Dimaculangan. And you could see, because inikot niya yung bola, there was teamwork. Everybody had a chance to score. The middles had a chance to score. Stalzer was given airtime. Even Usher was given airtime. Via General, the libero, did a great job in receiving those balls. At saka nakikita mo, no, yung mga services ng Photon, napakalakas. And that's really what made them win.
25-18 in set 1, 25-20 in the second set, and 25-15 in just 23 minutes in set number 3. Straight sets victory for Photon Tornadoes.